Hello, welcome to Ask About the Sales Guy. Today I want to show you a feature on the new Passat and on the CC that's called mirror down. And basically what mirror down does is when you go into reverse, that mirror tilts down so you can see the curb. First, let me show you how to turn that on. Go in your car and under settings, scroll down to convenience. Then you'll see the option for mirror down. Make sure that's checked. Now, to use mirror down, you have to make sure of a few things first. On your power mirror selector, make sure you're set to R. Right there. So it's showing that you're using the right mirror. Otherwise, it will not work. Now, when I shift into shift to park and go shift into reverse, you'll see that the mirror will tilt down automatically, so that when I'm backing out, I can see the curb when I'm parking. Now, as soon as I start driving, and I get to the point where I'm going fast enough for the doors to automatically lock, that mirror automatically goes back to its original position. So there you have it. That's how you use mirror down on the 2012 Volkswagen Passat and CC. If you have any questions, check out my blog at askabwsalesguy.com. Thank you for watching.